If you're looking for a dependable civilian skill after military service, you're not alone. Many military members, veterans, and spouses are searching for high-paying career skills that transition with them. Skills that offer stability, flexibility, and long-term opportunity beyond the uniform. Traditional career paths often fall short for military families. Degrees take years. Many jobs don't transfer well between locations, and starting over after every move can feel overwhelming. The real question becomes simple. What skill can you learn that's needed everywhere? Appliance repair is an in-demand trade needed in every city and every state. Homes, apartments, and businesses all rely on appliances. And when they break, skilled technicians are essential. With the right training, appliance repair becomes a reliable, high-paying career skill that works with military life, not against it. Our professional training program is designed specifically to help military members, veterans, and spouses build real technical skills, step by step. Online, self-paced learning, beginner-friendly instruction. Certification included. Brian Cole. You train on your schedule, from anywhere, and gain skills you can use nationwide. Cornerstone Appliance Training is a professional online training school led by a retired U.S. military veteran with 22 years of service and 19 years of hands-on appliance repair experience. Our focus is simple: teaching practical, real-world skills that support long-term career growth and financial stability. If you're ready to explore a career skill built for real life after service, now is the time. Click below to learn more and explore current training discounts. Build a future with high-paying career skills that transition with you, wherever life leads next.